Yeah, hello and welcome to another Bitcoin update. Just a short-term update because overall, looking at the bigger picture, nothing has changed. Bitcoin is now testing the support area that was important for today and actually for this week. I shared it in my video update yesterday, in which I added the parameters for the week. So all Bitcoin has done basically so far this week, it moved a little bit higher, moved towards resistance, got rejected from resistance, which is of course not unusual, especially because this happened at one of the fib levels, the 50% retracement. I mean, resistance is there. And so we have a dip. That dip so far seems to be a three-wave move down, which kind of is in line with the idea we could get another bounce because look, we moved from resistance or from support into resistance back into support. I haven't got enough evidence that the bulls have shown up here yet to start a move. Yeah? So I don't see any start of a C wave yet. Yeah? But if we get a 1-2 setup, this could be the start. So let me explain. There are two scenarios. Obviously, the directly bearish one. And if we start to break below 100,744, I think we're moving down in a fifth wave more directly. In that scenario, we get a break below the Tuesday low from last week, which was around 99K. In the orange scenario, we could get a more extended three-wave move up, A, B, C, and for anything more bullish, like for example, an attempt to rally to new all-time highs, we need a break above resistance at $112,400. So I still treat this as an ABC structure to the upside potentially, as long as the pullback is a three-wave move, which it is at the moment. And as long as the pullback holds above $100,744, which it is at the moment, okay? So we are in this range here. We are holding support. And I'd like to see the start of the next move up confirmed through a 1-2 setup. Wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5. So what does that mean? I would need to see a micro 5-wave move up. I mean, on this time frame, it will be difficult to determine that, but I'd need to see a 5-wave move up in orange wave 1, followed by a higher low, which could set the stage for a third wave, but we're already on a very small time frame. If from here that C wave started, if that C wave started from here, it should reach the 100% extension. The way to measure that is we can use the Fibonacci extension tool here on TradingView. We start where the A wave basically started and measure the length of that move up, which would be the A wave. We go to the low of the so-called B wave, and then we're looking for the 100% extension target, which would be at $111,400. But I have to say this is of course highly speculative at the moment because there is absolutely no sign that this C wave has started. But those are the parameters. So I mean, even one more low would be acceptable in the orange B wave. Then this 100% extension target will of course shift a little bit. So yeah, that's the update on Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out the MCO membership on our channel page. You can check out what the membership includes. There are different tiers, different supporter levels, and also the gold membership. As a supporter, you can get access to a lot of additional member updates. SUI is often covered and featured as member video. Uniswap was covered yesterday. Yeah, SUI, ICP Dash, Filecoin, and so on. You also get access to a lot of additional live streams. So all the live streams happen on Sunday. You get a lot of possibilities to ask for coins to be covered. You can ask requests. You can access our TradingView live charts on Discord if you're a gold member, where you can also find an Elliott Wave course. Yeah, I don't promote this stuff actively, but we have an Elliott Wave course there. We have a full risk management course. There's a lot of information there on Discord, so check it out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.